factor affecting ionization potential or ionization energy. First, charge on the nucleus. Second, types of electrons involved. Third, completely filled or half-filled orbitals. Fourth, screening effect. Fifth, atomic radius, and next, principal quantum number, that is last. So, factor affecting the ionization potential and its periodic variation. First, see the charge on the nucleus or nuclear charge. The greater the charge on the nucleus of an atom, the more difficult it would be to remove an electron from the atom, and hence greater would be the value of ionization potential. Thus, the value of ionization potential generally increases in moving from left to right in a period. Since nuclear charge of the elements, that is atomic number, also increases in the same direction, which increases electrostatic attraction between the outermost electrons and nucleus. Example, we see the elements of second period, its nuclear charge and its ionization potential in electron volt. So first, Li, its nuclear charge is +3, and Iv, that is Ip, is ionization potential is 3.4. Next, Be or beryllium, nuclear charge +4, Ip 9.3. Next, B, boron, nuclear charge +5, Ip 8.3. Next, carbon, nuclear charge +6 and Ip 11.3. Next, nitrogen, nuclear charge +7, Ip 14.5. Next, oxygen, nuclear charge +8, Ip 13.6. Next, fluorine, nuclear charge +9, Ip 17.4. and next, Ne, nuclear charge +10 and Ip is 21 electron volt in eV. Second, types of electrons involved. S electrons being closer to the nucleus are held more tightly than P, D or F electrons. Hence, ionization potential decreases in the order like this. For S greater than P greater than D greater than F. Example, the ionization potential corresponding to removal of 2p electrons of boron, that is B, whose electronic configuration is 2s2 p1, is 8.3 electron volt, while those corresponding to removal of 2s electrons are 25.1 electron volt and 37.9 electron volt. Next, third, completely filled and half-filled orbitals. According to Hund's rule, atoms having half-filled or completely filled orbitals are comparatively more stable, and hence more energy is needed to remove an electron from such atoms. The ionization potential of such atoms is therefore relatively higher than expected normally from their position in the periodic table. Example, a few irregularities that are seen in the increasing values of ionization potential along a period can be explained on the basis of the concept of half-filled and completely filled orbitals. For example, B and N in the second period and magnesium, that is Mg and P, in the third period have slightly higher values of ionization potential than those normally expected. This is explained on the basis of extra stability of the completely filled 2s orbital in B, whose electron configuration is B, 1s sub 2, 2p sub 1 and 3s orbital. In Mg 3s2 and of half filled 2p orbital is N, that is its electronic configuration 2s sub 2, 2p sub 3 and 3p orbital in P, that is P, electronic configuration 3s sub 2, 3p sub 3.